Hey there, fellow gardener. Let's talk about the real magic happening right under our feet. We focus so much on our plants, but the true powerhouse of your garden is an invisible world, a bustling city of microscopic life. Think of your garden soil not as dirt, but as a living, breathing ecosystem, more like a rainforest than just a medium for plants. In a single teaspoon of healthy soil, there are more microorganisms than people on Earth. These tiny helpers, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes, are the unsung heroes of every harvest and bloom. They're your garden's chefs, doctors, and construction workers all in one. When your soil is alive, these microbes unlock nutrients, build structure, and protect your plants. The secret? Shift your focus from feeding plants to feeding the soil that feeds your plants. Let's pull back the curtain on this hidden world and discover how you can become your soil's best friend. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned gardener, this is where next-level gardening begins. It's about partnering with nature, right in your backyard. By the end, you'll see your soil in a whole new light and know how to make it truly come alive. Meet the key players in your soil's underground community. First, bacteria, the recyclers and miners. They break down organic matter and release nutrients for your plants. Some, like nitrogen-fixing bacteria, pull nitrogen from the air and make it available to roots. Next, fungi, especially mycorrhizal fungi. They form vast networks that connect to plant roots, bringing water and nutrients in exchange for sugars. This partnership makes plants more resilient to drought and disease. Then, protozoa, the predators. They eat bacteria, releasing nitrogen right at the root zone for your plants. This keeps nutrients cycling and the system balanced. Finally, beneficial nematodes, microscopic roundworms. Most are helpful, cycling nutrients and preying on pests. They're the security guards of the soil, keeping harmful organisms in check. A diverse population of these microbes means a healthy, balanced soil food web. Each group plays a unique role, but together, they create a thriving underground ecosystem. When you support them, your garden flourishes. Remember, healthy soil is alive with activity you can't see, but your plants will show the results. These tiny allies are the foundation of every great garden. Let's see how they all work together. Now, let's see how these soil organisms form a powerful team, the soil food web. Plants capture sunlight and turn it into energy, releasing some as sugars through their roots. These exudates attract bacteria and fungi to the root zone, where they feast and decompose organic matter. Nutrients are locked in their bodies, preventing them from washing away. Protozoa and nematodes then consume bacteria and fungi, releasing plant-ready nutrients right at the roots. This cycle provides a steady stream of nutrition for your garden. Microbial glues and fungal threads bind soil particles, creating a crumbly structure full of air and water spaces. Earthworms and other creatures tunnel through, further aerating and mixing the soil. The result? Moisture-holding, well-draining, self-improving soil, all powered by the invisible teamwork of microbes. This is the engine of a thriving garden. So, how do you support this underground army? Feed and shelter them. Add organic matter. Compost is king. It's packed with beneficial microbes and slow-release food. Spread compost on your beds to inoculate and nourish your soil. Use organic mulches like leaves, straw, or wood chips. They protect soil, retain moisture, and feed microbes as they break down. Never leave soil bare. Mulch mimics nature's way of replenishing the ground. Grow cover crops like clover or rye. Their roots feed microbes and protect soil in the off-season. When you cut them down, leave them as mulch or lightly mix them in for a microbial feast. Swap synthetic fertilizers for compost tea or organic liquid amendments. These deliver living microbes, right where they're needed. Every action that feeds your soil life pays off in healthier, more resilient plants. Your main job, nurture the life below, and your garden will thrive above. We can help soil life, or harm it. Excessive tilling destroys soil structure and fungal networks, setting back microbial communities. Overusing synthetic fertilizers floods plants with nutrients, breaking their partnership with microbes and leaving soil weaker. Pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides often kill beneficial organisms along with pests. These chemicals disrupt the natural balance and can harm the very microbes that build soil fertility. Compaction from foot traffic or machinery squeezes out air and water, creating conditions where beneficial microbes can't survive. To protect your soil, minimize tilling, avoid harsh chemicals, and prevent compaction by using paths and adding organic matter. Healthy soil naturally suppresses many pests and diseases, reducing the need for interventions. Choose biology-friendly solutions first. Remember, every positive step you take helps your underground allies. Protect the life in your soil, and it will reward you many times over. Healthy soil is resilient soil. How do you know your soil is thriving? Look for these signs. Earthworms are a top indicator. They only live where there's plenty of organic matter and microbial life. Healthy soil smells sweet and earthy thanks to beneficial bacteria. If it's lifeless or sour, something's off. Good soil crumbles easily, like chocolate cake, and absorbs water well. After rain, water should soak in, not puddle or run off. Most importantly, look at your plants. Plants in living soil grow stronger, greener, and resist stress better. They're less prone to pests and diseases, thanks to a robust soil food web. Healthy plants are the ultimate proof your soil magic is working. Trust your senses, and your garden's response. We've explored the world beneath our feet, now it's your turn to nurture it. Supporting soil life is the most powerful way to become a better gardener. It's not about fancy products, but simple, natural actions. Add compost, mulch, plant cover crops, and avoid tilling and chemicals. Every time you feed your soil, you invest in your garden's future. Start small, maybe mulch with leaves this fall or begin a compost pile. Even one step makes a difference. Be patient and observant. Over time, you'll see your soil become richer and your plants healthier. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tips and share with a friend. Every gardener deserves to know about the magic beneath their feet. Let's grow a greener world together, one living garden at a time. Now get out there and get your hands dirty. Your soil and your plants will thank you. The future of your garden starts now.